My name is Teresa Turner, and I was a resident here many times, and this facility is great. I did my last chemo treatment this past August 30th. Thank God for that. I've never been in a facility like this before. I've been in many nursing homes. This is the best one I've been in so far.
The quality of care is excellent. I don't worry about anything, not at all.
The Renaissance at Park South is one of the finest providers of short-term post-hospital rehabilitation and long-term care services in the south side of Chicago, and is a proud member of the Symphony Post-Acute Network. Our philosophy of care is second to none.
Being on the far south side of Chicago, I've always told my team here at the facility, we are a diamond in the rough. And one thing that I tout as far as Renaissance Park South is concerned is the care and compassion that we provide to our residents. It's like family. And it's touching to know that we have a lot of staff that have been here for quite some time.
When you feel that you have the care of a loved one, that's the most important thing. And that's what happens here.
What I would tell a person that really needed our services is that we are here to get them back to their prior level of functioning or as close to it as possible, doing the things that they were doing before the hospitalization.
The Renaissance Park South offers private and semi-private rooms, allowing guests a more tranquil and serene environment in which to heal and recover. We have taken into account the unique needs of our guests by combining a progressive healthcare model with the amenities and hospitality of a fine resort. Guests leave our facility feeling rejuvenated.
We have a huge emphasis on customer service. Our customer service starts from the time you make the first phone call to the facility to the time that you step over our threshold. We are committed to providing excellent customer service to our residents as well as our family members because they are who we serve at that time.
We had Mother at the hospital. We were not in the position of bringing her back home, so we were out in search of a place where she would get the kind of care that we felt that she deserved. My experience with customer service and that of Mr. Carter in particular has been that of a positive nature. Whenever my request has been to see him, it is automatic or within a period of a few seconds or a few minutes, which is a help to us.
Knowing that they have someone that they can talk to, knowing that the staff is going to be there for them, helps them to really move forward in their healing process while they're here at the facility.
Now, Mr. Carter, I never met a man like him before. He is excellent. Anytime I would come, he said, "You're welcome. Anytime you want to come, you can always come back." He left it open for me, and every time I come, he welcomes me. He's a very beautiful person.
Walking through that front door, you are made to feel like you are our family. All of us are partners, working together to make all of our residents comfortable, informed, and happy here.
Our guest services team takes great pride in the amenities provided here at the Renaissance Park South. From our daily amenity cart to our concierge staff, our guests can expect an emphasis on hospitality with the feeling of home. We've created an environment that combines personal comfort with the highest quality of care.
We tailor our menus to meet our residents' needs, so we try to customize them for our populations. We offer them choices. This is their home, and we want to make sure that they have options when it comes to what they eat.
My job here is to ensure that the residents receive a well-balanced nutritional meal. Nutrition is important because it is a vital part of the healing process that we take very seriously at the Renaissance Park South.
Our activity program here at the facility is phenomenal. We do an assessment on each resident to find out what they were accustomed to doing in their past life. That way we can tailor their activities to things that interest them. It's fun, it's upbeat, the residents really enjoy themselves. We do a lot of music events, they really enjoy music. One of the favorites, of course, is bingo.
There's people here that's going to help you in every aspect. All the facilities are not like this. The activities is even different here. It's just beautiful. You can get all that you need. That's why I keep coming back.
We work in concert with top physicians, nurses, and therapists, and the highest level of functional and medical recovery through individually designed rehabilitation care plans. The Renaissance Park South's specialty programs include the Homeward Bound program, Heart for Life cardiac care, comfort care, palliative care, complex wound care, and the STAT program, which helps reduce the risk for unnecessary hospital readmissions. We also offer a certified and secure Alzheimer's unit with a dedicated memory care staff.
It is very critical for us to make sure that when the hospital discharges patient, we take care of them appropriately. And to do that, we communicate with the hospital physicians, and they have confidence to send their patients to our facility where we have nurse practitioners surrounding, making sure all the needs are met, including their nutrition, their physical therapy, and everything else. And eventually we transition them to home.
For a new patient, the development of plan of care starts from the time the patient comes into the building. I want to know why the patient went to the hospital the first time, and therefore find out why he or she is here. After getting the history, I will do a head-to-toe assessment and then develop a plan from there. Because we are here every day, we catch their problems early and we treat them early, and therefore we reduce their getting worse and becoming emergencies and going to the hospital.
We try to invite the family as well as the resident into a meeting within the first 72 hours of their admission so that we can all get together and collaborate and come up with the best plan possible for their loved one while they're here.
We are very patient-centered, so we take a look at what the patient themselves would like to achieve, and then we devise a plan that's specific for them, and it includes their dietary needs, their therapy needs, and we work within that model to get them home as fast as possible.
Okay, I suffer from CHF, which is congestive heart failure, so I had to come here for rehab. And now after 3 months, I'm going home tomorrow.
I'm really excited about our Bridge to Success program. When a patient is close to returning home, we actually do a home visit, and they let us know what they would like to work on so they can return to the community as safe as possible.
Our goal is to optimize our patients' recovery so that they have a safe transition from our facility back to their home.
Because my cousin has been here so long, and because I'm very active, my feelings about the staff and the facility itself are very personal. I have no problem recommending it. None whatsoever. In fact, I'm an advocate for it. I believe that it's a jewel, and we work very hard to make sure that this jewel stays here and gets better.
From our healing environment to our caring expert staff, Renaissance Park South is specifically designed to help care for you in your time of need, be it short or long term. Schedule a visit to see our facility or call 773-928-2000 and learn why local area hospitals and physicians recommend you choose Renaissance Park South.